Everybody, I am going to show you how to do the Use a Dictionary Cluster 1 page. So first, let's figure out how to get here. You're going to go into your class period, first or third period, go to Class Notebook, find your name, click on Edge Packets, and then click on Use a Dictionary Cluster 1. And this page should pop up. On this page, we are going to practice how to figure out the definition of a word using a dictionary meaning. There are confusing things about that because the language is often really challenging. Also, there are just different ways to read a dictionary entry. So I want to make sure that you guys know how to do this. It's also going to be on your Unit 4 exam, the big exam we do. So I definitely want you guys to know. So when you read, you may see a word that you don't know. You're going to use the dictionary to learn more about that word. Look at these parts of a dictionary page. We have entries, which are in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D order on each page. Guide words. The guide words are at the top of a page in the dictionary, and they tell you which is the last word. Let me back up. Which is the first word on the page, and then what is the last word on that page. So you'll know if your word is in between. It tells you the definition, of course, and it tells you the part of speech. By part of speech, I mean, is it a noun, a verb, or an adjective? So definitely let me know if part of speech, if those are all new terms for you. So in order to use the dictionary, let's look at this example. We'll start with our guide words, injure and instinct. That means that injure is the first word on that page and instinct is the last word. And the entry that we're looking for is injure. So we know for sure it's on this page. We also have the way to say it. This is a little weird because a lot of people don't. I barely know how to use this to pronounce words, but that's what this is in the parentheses, how you say or pronounce the word. It's a verb. That's the part of speech, right? We were talking about it could be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. And then finally, the definition. Injure means to hurt or damage. And then you see the same thing with the word instinct. It gives you the guide word, the pronunciation, the part of speech, and the definition. So here's what you're going to do for this first part. You're going to answer these questions using the entry at the top and the paragraph. So number 1 says, is injure the first or last entry on the page? So you just have to type first or last. To type real quick, reminder. You're going to find a part of the notebook that's just white. Click, and a text box will pop up. For some students, I've heard it's easier if you type first. So I'm not going to give you guys the answer, but let's say that's my answer. I type it, and then I drag it over and try to get it on the line to make it the easiest for me to read. And that's how you do that. All right, going back. Question number 2. What part of speech is injure? Is it a noun, a verb, an adjective? What is the definition of injure? What does it mean? Not from your definition, according to the definition up here. So all of your stuff right now, guys, is coming from here. And then finally, you're going to rewrite the second sentence in this paragraph in your own words. So this paragraph says, animals have an instinct to keep away from fire. They know fire can injure them. Humans do not have this instinct. Luckily, children learn fast. So you're going to rewrite this sentence. They know fire can injure them in your own words. What's another way to say the word injure? And then you're going to go down to questions 5 through 8. So they're very similar to the first questions, except you're going to use this box right here. So number 5, is instinct the first or last entry on the page? Number 6, what is the definition of instinct? Number 7, what part of speech, noun, verb, adjective, is instinct? And number 8, explain the first and third sentences of the paragraph in your own words. So now you're going to take this paragraph, read the first sentence, read the third sentence, and put them in your own words. All right, that is that for the assignment. As always, let me know if you need any extra help with this page. Good luck.